that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I know.
Yes, I am. Cutting up already. Good morning, fam. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and it's a cloudy Wednesday. It's off and on clouds, wind, rain, and sunshine. If y'all are familiar with Florida, you already know it's raining 1 minute and then the sun is out the next. We were supposed to go to Clearwater Beach. Unfortunately, we're not going because of the weather. And tomorrow is our last full day here because we usually pull out on Friday. Markayla, y'all don't have no more. Is there any more in my bathroom? Come here, Markayla. Come here. Come here. Come here. This girl, oh my gosh. She drives me crazy. So you was just gonna take my last roll, our last roll of toilet paper, and just going on about your business.
You said that I could take it.
What is it that y'all doing in that bathroom? Y'all use up all the toilet paper.
It's 3 people use that.
I don't need toilet paper.
Bye. Get out.
So you constipated?
I use the bathroom in this
You
one.
hear how she talk to her brother?
She trying to blend this paper.
I know one thing. Y'all better be ready between 2 and 2:30. Anyway, y'all. So, what was I saying? See, she done messed me all up. They done came in here with all that noise. I don't even remember. Anyway, I think I was talking about the weather, but it's raining off and on today. It's currently 82 degrees, and that is what their high was predicting. So it's a little warm, but it is raining. I think I'm just gonna throw me on some jeans and sneakers and my Crocs because the only sneakers I bought are my red and white Vans, and I meant to bring my red tee. I thought I packed it. I'm gonna double check and look at Marvin's suitcase. And if it's not in his suitcase, I didn't bring it. And I guess I could put my gray t-shirt on again, but that's still looking crazy with some red and white Vans on, blue jeans, and a gray shirt. Not a look of red nowhere. So if I didn't bring that red tee, I'm just going to wear my Crocs. But it is what it is. I'll just watch out for the puddles. But what else was I saying? Anyway, y'all, if you knew about Florida, you already know the weather is... I don't know who is in my bathroom. I'm sorry, y'all. If you know anything about Florida, you already know that the weather is crazy here. 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute the sun is out. It's just all over the place. So I was trying to figure out an indoor activity for them to do today. So we are going to, I believe it's pronounced Andretti's. It's like a indoor go-kart place with bowling, video games, different activities that you can do. And then once we leave there, I think the restaurant we ate at before a few years ago is called Crazy Crab or something like that. But they sell more than just seafood, so that's good because Marquita don't eat seafood at all unless it's fried fish. Marquise a dibble and dabble. He'll eat shrimp, fish, clam strips, stuff like that. And you already know Marquita. She want a seafood boy like I do. So we're gonna get that. Once we leave there, I'm going to stop and get ice cream again. Probably somewhere still on the same strip near the resort. Probably go back to, I think that area is Sunset Walk, where the Cold Stone ice cream shop is. Because, girl, oh my God, I ain't had ice cream in so long, y'all. I don't know, I don't think I ever told y'all, but your girl has been working her butt off since January. I am down 22 pounds, and this vacation was a treat for me. Although I have been working out, I'm getting ready to work out now when I get off of here with y'all because I want to work out before I go, and I might do another little workout when I get back because I've been trying to burn over 1,000 calories a day to help with me eating since I've been here. But yeah, I'm down 22 pounds. My doctor was like, my labs look great. A1C, all that stuff is coming down, so I'm not on any diabetic meds, and thank God. So I gotta keep going. I'm trying to lose another 30 pounds. The 22, I can honestly say, wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I'm just gonna pace myself because I'm very, very, very hard on myself. Very hard. You would never know. So hard. And I try not to be, but I am. So I got a good ways to go. I'm gonna drop another 30 pounds, but for right now, I am on vacation. So I'm gonna enjoy myself because I know when this week is over, it is back to the drawing board and I gotta get it in to get the rest of this weight off. All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to get me a little quick workout in right quick, and then we'll be on our way. So if you want to go have some fun with us, let's go. Yeah, I guess so. Hello. All right. I'm gonna get a bowl.
So we have a wait time about 10-15 minutes.
Okay. Can we wait in here or we have to go back out there?
No, you can wait here if you want. So you can pay whenever if the lane is ready.
Okay.
So you
So
guys
just
can
wait.
wait. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll reach out to you guys.
Okay. it, fam. Andretti's was nice. We had a good time bowling. And then we are getting ready to go to Crazy Crab. Me and Markayla have been here before with my sister-in-law and her husband like 2 years ago. So we're getting ready to get that seafood boil. I don't know if this was the same place on that.
I didn't put.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Welcome.
Hi, 5.
5, we have a wait time, honey. Maybe 25 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?